MKC would like to provide a recap of our capital projects and what's been going on since February 28, 2015. Some of these projects will be ones you are already familiar with, which started in 2015 or before, and some have just begun in 2016. A shed project consisting of a 300-ton dry fertilizer facility and 2 bay shop for equipment and vehicle maintenance was completed in June at Groveland. This new building will primarily be used as an agronomy maintenance shop and dry fertilizer shed. 8 years ago, Groveland added a 19,000 bushel an hour leg on Pit C. Through harvest, the 500 bushel per hour existing receiving pit was holding up traffic flow. To improve the customer experience, we increased the pit to roughly 900 bushels, allowing semis to open up both hoppers at the same time. This ideally has enhanced the customer experience of dumping grain in half the amount of time. Groveland also received 2 new seed bins and a new bunker this past year. The latest expansion at our Canton terminal included 6 concrete bins which were completed by the 2016 wheat harvest. Prior to wheat harvest, 2 new scales were installed at Canton, creating dual inbound and outbound scales. These improvements decreased the amount of time it took to get trucks across the scale, allowing faster hauler turnaround and improve the flow of traffic. These upgrades and improvements should make getting in and out of the location quicker and easier. Construction on 2 new concrete bins were completed at Marquette in June, providing a total storage capacity of 2 million bushels. In addition to the bins, the expansion included a new office and warehouse building, with the building serving as individual offices, a lobby, and a warehouse for agronomy, feed, and energy products, and 2 new truck scales. On July 28, 2015, construction began to increase the size of the dump pit at Alta Vista. The location was able to use a larger dump pit during the fall harvest of 2015. The size of the dump pit improves the customer experience by decreasing the amount of time it takes to dump a truck and allows our producers to get back to the field as quickly as possible. Our Benton location received a new 17,000 square foot seed warehouse and 4 bulk seed bins with seed treatment operations. The location shipped out the first load of treated soybeans on May 12, 2016. The new seed site provides our customers more flexibility in fulfilling their seed orders. We also added a 2,400 square foot warehouse providing carry-out products for our customers' agronomy, feed, and energy needs, allowing us to bring all of our services in Benton to one central location. The Lindsborg location received a side-by-side dual scale feature in the summer of 2015, which has improved speed of the location during harvest. This new equipment was a great addition to the grain storage space added to the Lindsborg location a couple of years ago. Producer Ag, a 50-50 joint venture between CHS and MKC, is building a rail loading terminal similar to the Canton location. The Sumner County terminal will be located approximately 8 miles south of Conway Springs and 6 miles east of Argonia. The facility will have nearly 7 million bushels of storage composed of multiple different types. It will also include a loop track with enough linear feet of rail for up to 120 cars plus mainline locomotives. The site plan includes room for expansion into agronomy operations, petroleum, feed, and room for possible other industry access. The foundation for the new liquid fertilizer facility at our Rice County location began late July. The facility will include bulk liquid fertilizer storage and allows us to load MKC rigs and sell fertilizer from our Rice County location. A 700,000 bushel ground storage bunker will be added south of the Talmage location. We anticipate starting this project in late July to early August. It will be filled with a drive-over conveyor and is expected to be completed by fall harvest. A 4 million bushel ground storage bunker was assembled in Yoder and was first filled with wheat on July 18th. MKC continues to look for and evaluate the next round of projects in addition to evaluating existing facility upgrades and potential greenfield sites for all grain, agronomy, energy, and feed needs. Through this next year, we are committed, as we always have been, to facing the challenges ahead so your cooperative and your operation can be successful.